Last week I created 10 tiny paintings. I just sent them out to Switzerland, where they'll be sold in an art vending machine during Art Basel in summer. I just treated them like I treat my sketchbook, painting motifs and using the supplies I feel like using in the moment. A lot of them, just like this one, were created using poster colors with an orange underpainting. This gives the overall painting a warm tone, something else that will be added to the boxes that I will reveal after I posted all the process videos. So leave a follow if you want to see what tiny surprise I came up with.